Hi, second grade. Today I'm going to do a quick lesson to remind us how to ABC order a list of words. So I know that we've been doing that here and there throughout the year. You do a lot of it on Spelling City every week. We work on alphabetizing. And so today we're going to continue working on that. And I'm just going to give us a quick reminder of how to ABC order a list of words. So let's see if I can zoom in here. Yes, I can. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I would order these list of words. And then afterwards, you are going to go on to Seesaw, and I have an activity for you to practice for me to just see how we're doing with this. So our objective is to order words in ABC order. So here I wrote out the ABCs, I wrote out my alphabet, just to help me with this, because as we know, when we ABC order a list of words, we're going in the order of the alphabet. Okay, so what it's actually asking us to do is to take the words and say, which one comes first, which one comes last, and which ones come in the middle. So the reason that we ABC order stuff is similar to how we work with a dictionary, and we need to know, like, well, what's the definition of pollution? Well, if I want to look up the definition of pollution, I need to know how to use the dictionary. If I need to know how to use the dictionary, I need to know how to use ABC order. Where do I go in the dictionary specifically to find that word? Okay, so ABC order is a really important skill for us to have, both when we're looking at dictionary skills and both when we're reading. It's a really important skill. So I have listed out my alphabet here. And the second thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take my highlighter and I'm going to highlight the first letter of each word. So I'm going to highlight the first letter of each word because that's how we ABC order, okay? We don't ABC order by the last letter, right? We ABC order by the first. So I'm going to go through. I'm going to highlight the first letter in each one. Oops, it's getting a little green, but that's okay. So as you can see, they mostly all have different first letters in these words. Some I see two that are the same. And we'll talk about what to do when you're ABC ordering a list of words and the first letter is the same. So we'll talk about that when we get to it. But the first thing I'm going to do is now I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to say, okay, ABC order. Which one of these comes first? What do you think? I'm going to look up here at my alphabet to help me. Do I have any words that begin with an A? Yes, I do. Air. A-I-R. Air. I tried to make these Earth Day related since today is Earth Day. Well, you'll be watching this tomorrow, but it's Earth Day every day. So air is my first word because it starts with an A. A-I-R. Okay, so I'm going to put a little check. I'm done. I know that that is the first word. If I really wanted to be sure, I could double check and go, okay, that's an H. Sorry, that's some messy handwriting, Mrs. That's an H. And then we have no other A's in here, right? So I know that air is the first word. Okay, air is good to go. Next, I'm going to look at my alphabet and say B. Do I have any words in here that start with a B? No B's, so we're good. I don't have to do anything with the letter B. I don't have anything that comes in there. I need to move on now to C. So you're not always going to have perfectly A, B, C, but it's still an ABC order, right? That's just what we call the alphabet. It's still an alphabetical order if we have like an A word and then a C word, right? Because it's still in the same, it's in the proper progressional order, right? Still in that A to Z. So I don't have any words with a B, so I'm going to move on to C. Let's see. Okay. Do we have any words that begin with a C? Okay, so I don't have any words that begin with a C, so I'm going to move on to D. I'm going to quickly skim. I don't see any words with a D. I'm going to go to E. Any words with an E? Oh, yes. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Put a little check. There is no other word in here that begins with an E. Okay, so I know that earth goes there. So E, let's see, do we have any F? Yes, we do. Ooh, this is going to get tricky because we have two words that begin with an F. Okay, we have fun and we have farm. So, what you do when both of them have the same beginning letter, you're going to look at the second letter. I'm going to just draw a little arrow here. So I look at the second letter if they have the same. So they both begin with F. So I'm like, well, which one do I put first? You need to look at the second one. Now, we ABC order, we alphabetically order based on the second one. So I have U and I have A. Which one comes first? Farm, A. So I'm going to put farm first. And then I'm going to put fun. And if that one was a little bit of an easy one because we all know that A begins. But if you get to that point and you're like, I can't remember which one, go ahead and use your alphabet line. Like draw this out and it'll really help you see, well, maybe some of the ones in the middle we get stuck on. The line will help you if you just write out A, B, C, D. You can sing the song while you do it. It'll really help you. It actually really helps me too. So we have fun and farm. Now I'm going to move on to G. Oh, I have one with G too, green. Any other ones with G? No. So I know that green goes here. And H, anything with an H? Yes, actually. Help. Help. Okay, so help goes next, right? Because I have G, then I have H, and then anything with an I, anything with a J, K. I'm going to go all the way down the list. I know that I only have one word left. Okay, my last word is tree. That's the last word that I have to ABC order. So I know that I only have one more. And I also know that I'm here, right? I'm in the HIJ category. I can just kind of skim here and say, do I have any of these? Ah, there's a T, tree. Awesome. I'm going to write tree. And that is all ABC ordered. So I'm going to let you go practice this on Seesaw. If you have any questions about it, let me know. And I hope that this was helpful. I'll talk to you soon.